A new song for Romoke, Oluwasegun Adeoye. Today we sing with grateful hearts for Romoke, so dear, so blessed. Another year of grace and light. With joy and love, she's richly dressed. Oluwasegun, child of grace, your journey shines with heaven's praise. Hallelujah, we give thanks for a life that stands so strong. New beginnings, mercy reigns. To our God we lift this song. Romoke, you are shine and rise again. With every step, let love remain. You've walked through days, both bright and dim, still standing firm, your light won't dim. Adeoye daughter, crowned from above, walking boldly in God's love. Your story still unfolding bright, with faith to guide and dreams in sight. Hallelujah, we give thanks for a life that stands so strong. New beginnings, mercy reigns. To our God we lift this song. Oluwasegun Adeoye, shine and rise again. With every step, let love remain. New doors are open wide, grace and glory by your side. Celebrate this gift of life. No more fear, no more strife. Hallelujah.